Did you know that over 75% of people who try to lose weight give up within the first 3 months, often because they're trying to overhaul their entire diet at once? But what if I told you that something as simple as the gelatin trick could be the key to making sustainable changes? It all starts with just three ingredients: gelatin, lemon juice, and water. Yep, you probably have these staples in your kitchen right now, and that's what makes the gelatin trick so accessible. My friend recently started incorporating the gelatin trick into her daily routine, and she's noticed a real shift in how her body responds to food. She's not bloated after meals, and she has way more energy throughout the day. The gelatin trick is all about using these three ingredients to create a gentle, soothing ritual that sets you up for success. If you're curious about trying the gelatin trick for yourself, be sure to check out the link in my description for a detailed walkthrough, and take a look at the pinned comment below for some tips from our community. Head to the link to get started with the gelatin trick today and start feeling the benefits for yourself.